fruit juice, and cucumber are drawing of plants.
Chalo. Okay, now listen carefully all. This like bread, carrot, grapes, fruit juice, cucumber are obtained from the plants. Means here two types of this food. मैंने क्या बोला? Which types of the food are available here? So नीचे ये sentence लिखा हुआ है. You have to check it properly, my dear all girls. Okay. So two types of the food here. First is plant food. Okay, plant food. Two types of the food are available here. Got my point? So carrot, grapes, and cucumber. And what fruit juice are obtained from the plants? वो सब हमें कहाँ कहाँ से मिलते हैं सब? कहाँ
Plants.
से मिलते हैं हम? प्लांट्स में से. So that's why we call it's called what it's called plant juice. Got my points? Sorry, plant obtained from the plant. Okay, got my points? We not get a cheese, curd, milk, fish, or egg from the plants. We get cheese, egg, fish, curd from plant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, or no? Okay,
Yes.
we do not get egg, plant, curd, milk from the plant. हम लोग प्लांट में से ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकते क्या? एग, फिश, and then after what? Curd and milk and cheese also and bread also. Okay, now we will going to be move on further. Okay, cholo. See fish, then after egg, then after and other things like other things like milk, egg, fish, curd and cheese are obtained from the animals. चीज एनिमल में से डायरेक्टली हमें नहीं मिलता है, बट वी फर्स्ट गॉट द व्हाट? एग. एग में से हम लोग चीज जनरेट करते हैं. मींस एग हमारा रो मटेरियल है. ओके, और एग में से हम प्रॉपरली क्या ऑब्टेन करते हैं? सॉरी, मिल्क में से हम प्रॉपर क्या ग्रो लेते हैं हम सब? मिल्क. एंड देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू मेड अ चीज. Got my points? Yes, exactly, beta. Very good. Cholo. Cholo. And this is this type of the food. This is all a plant food. Food and its content. Balanced diet. This is. Okay, this is a main words key and you have to remember it. आप सबको याद रखना है and then after I'm going to be asked the question. Okay, food contains five main components: carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins, mineral. Which types of the food and its components means food में से हमें क्या क्या मिलता है? That five things are presenting here. Okay, we get carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. We obtain carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, mineral, and fats from the food. Okay. Yes. Kulsum Bhimani, Sakina Bhimani, beta, you have to read it these five components.
Yes, sir.
Carbohydrates, fat,
Carbohydrates,
protein, carbohydrates.
vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Carbohydrate is
So,
bread, bread,
yes.
in
No, beta, you have to say as like that. The food source of the carbohydrates is bread, rice, wheat, grains.
carbohydrate,
That is the all.
wheat,
Okay. Okay, the source of
fats is
carbohydrates, wheat, bread, biscuits, as like that you have to say. Understood? Okay, now who will going to be read for the Bajaj Fatima? Better you have to read the five components of food.
Okay, sir. Sir, I can read.
Wait, Fatima Qureshi.
Sir, what can I read?
You have to read the food and its five components. जो यहाँ पर ऑरेंज कलर के वर्ड्स में हाईलाइटेड किए हुए हैं.
Okay. Carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, and minerals.
Very good. चलो. And who will going to be read further? Fatima Qureshi. Do better. Do it.
Yes, yes, sir. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and minerals, and fat.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Now let's check the further. Food and its components. Okay. Now here we have to check what is the food and function and its source. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पर क्या चेक करना है बेटा कि फूड्स है उसका फंक्शन क्या है उसका सोर्स क्या है. फंक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? वर्क. फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ प्रोटीन, what is the work of carbohydrates, what is the function of carbohydrates, and what is the function of protein, and what is the function of mineral. As like that, my all dear students, we have to check it. Understood? And where, okay, where we get that food, मीन्स कहाँ से हम लोग फूड ले सकते हैं, क्या क्या फूड हमें लेना है. मीन्स वी हैव टू चेक हियर द व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ दैट फूड. मीन्स प्रोटीन, व्हाट इज द फूड सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. मीन्स प्रोटीन हमें कौन कौन से फूड में से मिलता है. दैट्स ऑल थिंग्स वी हैव टू चेक इन दिस टेबल. Okay, so first of all, take out your rough book and note down this table, all my dear students, and start writing this table.
Yes.
Okay, and then I'm going to be explain what is the function of the food and then what is the source of food. Now, the first is who will going to be read the first one?
Can I read?
Zehra Nayan, beta, you have to read this first one. Zehra, are you there?
सर ये लिखने का है.
Yes, beta. पहले लिख लो, then after I will be going to be explain you. Do it fast.
સર તમારી સ્ક્રીન નથી દેખાતી.
Because my screen is visible, you have to do rejoin the meeting. मीटिंग में फिर से ज्वाइन हो बेटा. Do it fast बेटा. Start writing all.
Which book?
The rough book. What I was told you said a rough book. Do it fast all.
Sir, my
Very
work
good,
is
Saib.
done. Sir, my work is done. Sir, my work is done. Or sir. Sir, my work is done. Says it, sir. Sir, my work is
Yes,
done.
yes, बेटा. Very good. चलो. खदीजा बेटा, turn off your mic. Turn off your camera also. So do it fast, all my dear students. And who will going to be read? Bohra Inshia and Malad Aisha. Turn off your mic. Yes, Fatima Zahra. Do it, beta.
Sir, I can read.
From first
Yes, beta.
I am on.
Okay. Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, Fatima. Keshwan.
carbohydrate,
सर ये सब लिखा है.
carbohydrate,
Ha, beta. Turn off your mic now, all. Exceptional only Fatima.
carb,
Yes, Fatima. Do it.
Yes sir.
carbohydrates of food, then function, then
Sir,
soup.
which Fatima?
So first is carbohydrate.
इसमें फातिमा नो और फातिमा जहरा.
बेटा जो रीडिंग कर ऑलरेडी उसने रीडिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया है. अटेंशन हियर ऑल. टर्न ऑफ योर माइक. यस
So
बेटा
my work
कंटिन्यू.
is done.
Okay. First, I'm reading from first carbohydrates. See, carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Sources: bread, rice, rich fruits such as banana and mangoes, sugar, potato, corn. Fat help to keep our body warm. Meat, vegetable, oil, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, cream, and dry fruits. Protein, essential for growth and muscle building. Chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya milk. Me, sorry, vitamins and minerals needed in small amount of the normal function of the body. Fruits and vegetables, fish, milk, and eggs.
Very good. Chalo Fatima Keshwan. Chalo very good. Carbohydrates. What is the function of carbohydrates? Provide energy to the. Wait beta. Turn off your mic. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का फंक्शन काम क्या है बेटा? वो बॉडी को क्या एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इज द व्हाट द पार्ट ऑफ द एनर्जी. हमें बॉडी में एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? आप लोग रोटी मीन्स यू आर ईटिंग द राइस, ब्रेड, रोटी, ओके, चपाती. As like that you are going to be eating, so you get the energy. And energy मिलती है ना सब. Okay. What is the source of carbohydrates? The source of carbohydrates is a bread, rice, wheat, fruits such as the banana and mangoes, sugar potato and corn. That is all the sources of your carbohydrates. Understood all my dear girls? Understood? Yes or no?
Understood.
Okay, now let's check the example. Okay, let's check the what is the fat. Fat
Yes sir.
keep to fat helps to keep body warm. बॉडी को क्या वार्म कर मीन्स हमारी बॉडी को वैसे मेंटेन करता है. एज लाइक दैट हमारी बॉडी को वो कैसा मेंटेन करता है? बॉडी को ठंडी हो तो हमें ठंडी से प्रोटेक्शन करता है. फैट्स गर्मी है तो गर्मी से प्रोटेक्शन. एंड मॉनसून में क्या जो जैसा एनवायरमेंट हो उसके मुताबिक वो हमारी बॉडी को वार्म रखता है. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? अभी आया सबको समझ में बेटा? ओके. एंड व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ द फैट? फैट हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ फैट? So we get the fats from meat, vegetable oil, vegetable, okay, meat, vegetable, oil, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, cream, and dry fruits. We get from fat. We get the fats from meat, vegetable, oil, milk, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, and dry fruits. Again, I am going to be repeat for you, all of you. What is the source of the fat? The source of the fat is meat, vegetable, oil, milk. butter, cheese, ghee, cream, and dry fruits. Understood? Now the protein. Okay. What is the work and what is the function of protein? The function of protein is essential for the growth and muscles build. Essential for the growth एंड मसल्स बिल्ड. वो क्या करता है? प्रोटीन्स लो. आप सब बोलते हैं ना, प्रोटीन्स लो, प्रोटीन्स लो, प्रोटीन्स वाला फूड खाओ. आपके पेरेंट्स या आपके एल्डर्स जो भी घर आपके घर में होते वो सब लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एल्डर्स जो होते वो कि प्रोटीन्स वाला फूड लो, so आपका ग्रोथ भी होगा और मसल्स भी बिल्ड हो गए. So that's why we have to take the food. Okay, and content proteins contains food. We have to take the content food. Proteins contain food. Malkani, turn off your mic. And then after, what is the source of the protein? The source of protein is what? Chicken, fish, egg, milk, cheese, pulses, and soya bean. That is all the source of protein. Again, my dear all girls, I am going to be repeat for you what is the source of protein. The source of protein is chicken, fish, egg, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, soya bean. That is the all sources of milk. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, all of you. Okay. Now, so let's check vitamins and minerals. Why we need the vitamins in our body? The vitamins is helping and needing a small amount of the normal function of the body. वो क्या? छोटे से फंक्शंस के लिए फंक्शनिंग फ्रॉम दिस बॉडी. मिनरल्स और विटामिन वो क्या करता है? बॉडी को मेंटेन करता है प्रॉपरली, और फंक्शन पूरा बॉडी का वर्क होता है विटामिन और मिनरल्स के जरिए. Okay, and what is the source of vitamins and minerals? The source of vitamins and minerals is fruit, vegetable, fish, egg, and milk. Okay. Okay. Who's Malkani? Who's Malkani? Beta Malkani, turn off your mic. Otherwise, we will remove you, beta. Understood, all my dear girls, this table now? अभी सबको ये समझ में आया टेबल बेटा? Now you understood, all of you, what is this table? Table ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, चलो. Now we will going to be move on further. चलो बेटा, चलो जल्दी लिखना नहीं मीन्स जिसको लिखना बाकी वो do it fast all. Now for that we will going to be move on.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Because still better you have to left. चलो बेटा जिसको बाकी do it fast. All my dear girls done.
Okay, sir, हो गया. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Carbohydrates. Let's check the contents of carbohydrates. Okay, so all my dear students, vitamins and minerals, and this is a source of protein. This is the source of protein. Okay, so do it fast, all of you. Start writing what? Water and roughage. Water and roughage. What is the water and rough? Our body also needs a adequate amount of water and rough. Means हमारे body को कोई भी content small amount of the contains water and roughage. Okay, so what is the meaning of roughage? I am going to be telling you here just moment on. Okay, so water हम लोग कहाँ से मिलते हैं? पानी पीने से तो हमें वाटर मिलता ही है, बट कौन सा फ्रूट्स और कौन सा फूड लेने से हमें प्रॉपरली वाटर मिलता है? यू हैव एनी आइडिया which type of the food we have to take and we obtain from that food water? Am I correct or wrong? You have to telling me. Watermelon. Watermelon. This is correct or wrong? वाटरमेलन में से
Sir,
क्या मिलता
correct.
है हमें? यस करेक्ट,
Yes,
यस
correct.
नायन, यस मरियम गर्ल, यस बॉडी वाला बेटा, करेक्ट। चलो, so watermelon, then papayos, orange, then after what, different types of the fruits as like that pineapple। तो सब में फ्रूट्स में से हम लोग को क्या मिलता है? वाटर मिलता है। अंडरस्टूड। एंड व्हाट इज द रफेज? रफेज मीन्स fibrous, okay, means thread like structure, which, okay, thread like जैसा food हो, means जिसमें thread जैसा food में निकले, that is a roughage, okay, and that is the importance for us. Apple, then after watermelon, that is the what, all the roughage food, see, and it will be help for the digestion। वो लोग को क्या होगा? हेल्प होगी हम लोग को डाइजेशन में, वाटर एंड रफेज। रफेज हमें क्या करता है फूड में? इम्पोर्टेंस। वो क्या देता है हमें फूड में? चलो, then after we have to check further, roughage is the undigested part of the plant food, it helps to moving the food through our, means वो क्या होता है? अनडाइजेशन पार्ट होता है रफेज। ओके, सी हियर, देखो, अनडाइजेशन फूड हुआ तो यू आर नॉट डाइजेस्ट इट प्रॉपरली। आटा, wall oat food, oats, dahlia, corn, cabbage are some food source of this roughage। मैंने क्या बोला रफेज के लिए? कि वो पूरा प्रॉपरली डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है, एंड इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस। वो हमें हमारी बॉडी में क्या करता है? प्रॉपरली डाइजेस्ट करता है। चलो, so we have to take the proper, okay, food तो लिया आपने, but why you have to, कौन कौन सी चीज से आप अपना बॉडी अच्छा और वार्म प्रॉपरली रखने वाले हो? सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपरली रेगुलरली। ओके, अपने बॉडी को अच्छे से रखने के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? टेक द प्रॉपर फूड, एंड बॉडी को अच्छे से रखने के लिए you have to do the daily routine। what's your daily routine? You have to do the exercise daily। आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी होगी डेली, ऑल माय डियर गर्ल्स। देखो, सो एक्सरसाइज करोगे, प्रॉपर फूड लोगे, तो डिसीज नहीं होगा। यू अवॉइड फ्रॉम द डिसीज। A disease is the state in which function or the part of the body is not longer in hand। Disease can occur due to the important diet, lack of the rest of exercise or lack of the cleanliness। डिसीज कहाँ से होते हैं? डिसीज होते हैं, डिसीज क्यों होते हैं? आपको डाउट होगा कि सर हमें डिसीज क्यों होते हैं? यू हैव एनी डाउट बेटा? डिसीज क्यों होते हैं पता है आप सब लोग को? कि आपकी बॉडी और आपके आसपास का एटमॉस्फेयर क्लीन नहीं होता है, दैट्स व्हाई। ओके, आपके बॉडी के आसपास का environment surrounding us it's not clean, that's why क्या होता है? डिसीज होता है। ओके, आप अपनी बॉडी को क्लीन रखो तो डिसीज नहीं होगा। एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हो तो डू एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, तो आप लोग डिसीज से दूर होके। दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द डिसीज, okay, dengue and flu and viruses and this type of this bacteria, okay। See here, two types of the disease. How many types of the disease, all my dear girls? How many types of the disease? All two types of the disease। How many types of the disease, all my dear
Sir,
girls?
corona. Oh,
Eh? Who is the vakil? Yes, vakil, what beta, what happened? Who is the vakil? Yes beta, vakil, tell me what? Okay. So, all my dear students, two types of this disease: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. How many types of the disease? Main two types of the disease: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Anyone can tell me how many types of the disease and which types? Hello, why you all are not replying? Okay. Yes, Gabran is Zainab Fatima. Better tell me how many types of this disease?
Non-communicable disease and communicable disease.
Very good. Chalo. Very good, beta. Yes, Madhwani Mohdesa. Yes, beta. Madhwani Mohdesa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Beta, can you tell me how many types of the disease?
Two types of disease.
Yes, which two types of the disease? Communicable and
Non
non-communicable. Yes, communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Okay, so Inshia, okay, now Inshia Bora. Inshia Bohra, can you tell me how many types of the disease? Okay, is not replying. Zehra,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me beta? Pathan Zehra, Pathan Zehra, can you tell me beta how many types of the disease?
two
How
types
many
of
types
disease.
of the disease?
Two
Yes,
types.
beta, which two types? Tell me that names. First is communicable disease and the second one is
Not
Not communicable.
non-communicable. Yes, very good, Zahra. Okay, okay. So communicable disease means what? कि आप कोई भी person के one person to another person it will be spread easily. Means आप एक person से दूसरे person के contact में आए it will be spread easily. For example, cold, typhoid, chicken pox, cough, and influenza. That is the what called communicable disease, and it will be a spread from one person to another person. Okay, and non-communicable disease, it will be a not spread by one person to another person. Okay, so diabetes, cancer, and heart attack